माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
Honorable members, as you are aware, more than 2,600 persons reportedly lost their lives and more than 5,000 others were injured when a massive earthquake of magnitude 7.9 on the Richter scale, with epicenter 80 kilometers away from Kathmandu, struck Nepal on the 25th of April 2015, followed by a series of aftershocks. The quake also caused extensive damage to houses, infrastructure, and historical and heritage monuments in Nepal, and triggered avalanches in Mount Everest. The earthquake and the aftershocks also jolted northern and eastern parts of India, in which more than 60 persons reportedly lost their lives and more than 250 were injured in the states of Bihar, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan. The earthquake also damaged houses and property in these states. I'm sure the whole House will join me in expressing our deep condolences and sympathy on the losses suffered by the friendly people of Nepal and pray for the speedy recovery of the injured. The people of India stand in solidarity with the government and the people of Nepal in their hour of grief. I'm sure the entire House will join me in expressing our deep sorrow and sympathy to the bereaved families in India who lost their near and dear ones, and pray for the speedy recovery of the injured. I request members to rise in their places and observe silence as a mark of respect to the memory of those who lost their lives in this natural disaster. Papers to be laid on the table. Just 1 minute, let me finish the laying of papers. Paper laying.
Now, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Deputy Chairman, sir, on behalf of my colleague Shri Piyush Goyal, Minister for Power, Coal and Renewable Energy, I rise to lay on the table of the House papers mentioned against his name at serial number 1 of today's list of business.
श्री उपेंद्र कुशवाहा।
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 2 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखने का आग्रह करता हूं।
श्री पी राधाकृष्णन।
Permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers as mentioned against my name at serial number 3 in today's list of business.
प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर राम शंकर कथरिया।
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्य सूची में क्रम संख्या 4 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखने का आग्रह करता हूं।
रिपोर्ट ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट रिलेटेड पार्लियामेंट्री स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ऑन इंडस्ट्री श्री केसी त्यागी। श्री भूपेंद्र यादव।
I beg to present a copy of each in English and Hindi of the following report. 264th report of the demand of grants 2015-16 pertaining to the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. 265th report of the demand of grant pertaining of the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises. 266th report of the demand for grant pertaining to the Ministry of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forest, Sri Ashwini Kumar. Sri C.P. Narayanan.
I beg to present on the 254th report, in English and Hindi of the Departmental Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests on demands for grants 2015-16 of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Agriculture, Sri Vinay Katiyar.
महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्य अवधि में मेरे नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध कृषि विभाग से संबंधित स्थायी संसदीय समिति के प्रतिवेदन की एक प्रति राज्यसभा पटल पर रखता हूँ।
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Committee on Defence, Sri Rajiv Chandrasekhar.
Sir, I wish to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence 2014-15, Sixth report on the demand for grants 2015-16 of the Ministry of Defence on civil expenditure for the Ministry of Defence and the capital outlay on defence services, demand number 21, 22 and 28. Seventh report on the demands for grants 2015-16 of the Ministry of Defence on Army, demand number 23. Eighth report on demands for grants 2015-16 of the Ministry of Defence on Navy and Air Force, demand number 24 and 25. And the ninth report on demands for grants 2015-16 of the Ministry of Defence on Ordnance Factories and DRDO, demand number 26 and 27. Thank you, sir.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy, Sri VP Singh Badenoch.
Sir, with your permission, I would like to lay on the table of the House in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Energy. Fifth report on the demands of grants 2015 and 16 of the Ministry of Power. Number 2, sixth report of the demands of grants 2015-16 of the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy.
Report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution, Sri Pratibha Banerjee.
No, Rita Brata Banerjee.
So, yes, Rita Badra Banerjee.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table a copy each in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Food, Consumer Affairs and Public Distribution 2014-15, third report on demands for grants 2015-16 of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Department of Food and Public Distribution, and fourth report on demands for grants 2015-16 of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Department of Consumer Affairs.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Petroleum and Natural Gas, Sri Mansukh Mandavia, Srimati Gundu Sudharani. Both are absent. Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Urban Development, Srimati Vandana Chavan.
With your permission, I beg to lay on the table a copy each of in English and Hindi of the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Urban Development. Fourth report on action taken by the government on observation recommendations contained in the second report on demands for grants 14-15 of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. Fifth report on demands for grants of the Ministry of Urban Development, and sixth report on demands for grants of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. Thank you.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources, Sri Balwant Singh Bundar.
Sir, I beg to lay on the table a copy in English and Hindi of the third report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Sources 2014-15 on demands for grants 2015-16 of the Ministry of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Regulation. Statement. Sir, I beg to lay on the table a copy of the English and Hindi of this statement showing further action taken by the government on the observation of league recommendation contained in the second report, 16th Lok Sabha, on action taken by the government on the observation of league recommendations contained in the 21st report, 15th Lok Sabha, on review of Ganga Flood Control Commission relating to the Ministry of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Regulation.
Now, again, Balwant Singh statement of the Department related Parliamentary Committee on statement भी ले करो कर दिया वो भी हो गया. Okay. Report of the Public Accounts Committee, Sri Shantaram Nayak, Sri Vijay Goyal. Statement by Mrs. Sushri Uma Paradi.
महोदय, राज्यसभा द्वारा राज्यसभा में कार्यवाही संबंधित नियम 266 के अनुसरण में जारी निर्देश के अनुसार मैं जल संसाधन संबंधी स्थायी समिति की 21वीं रिपोर्ट में उल्लिखित सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन के विषय में वक्तव्य देने की आज्ञा चाहूंगी। जल संसाधन, नदी विकास और गंगा संरक्षण।
No, 1 second. Statement ले करो. ले करो.
Sir, I am laying a statement which is against my name.
ले करो.
Thank
बस.
you, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
ले करना.
हम लोग का लगा हुआ है।
आपने नोटिस दिया है?
जी हाँ।
Let me see all given notice. कहाँ है लिस्ट?
रामगोपाल जी बोलेंगे।
Let me see.
हाँ, बोलते।
Let me see who gave notice. 267 notice.
इसमें आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि सभी को अपॉर्चुनिटी दे दीजिए, लीडर्स को 2 मिनट बोलने के लिए। आपके बाद रामगोपाल यादव जी को।
Wherein
each and every party would like to express their condolences.
Ramgopal Yadav, Naresh Agarwal and Derek O'Brien. Notice? Yeah. No, listen.
All parties would.
No.
Two
No, I will.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
I will come back.
2 minutes.
No, I will come back. No.
रामगोपाल जी शुरू करेंगे।
Okay, I will come back. Naresh, बैठिए. I will call you. No, the point is, 267 notices are received from Ananda Sharma, Derek O'Brien, Naresh Agarwal, Ramgopal Yadav. Then, yes, these are the notice I am seeing. Now, you want, I will call these names, you can say, then we will have to go for, or are you saying that? No.
Our leader will speak on behalf of our party.
तो इतना संवेदनशील मामला है, उसमें 2 मिनट के लिए बोलने का इजाजत दे दीजिएगा इसको।
Okay,
After the
Honorable,
notice
yes.
have spoken.
Honorable LOP said, and Ms. Raji says that 2 minutes may be allowed. I have no problem if that is the sense of the House, then your 0 hour will be lost.
Sir, please understand, this is a very important issue. I entirely endorse the LOP's view.
Yeah.
That let Ram Gopal ji place his, the resolution that he wants to, or whatever, make a statement. After that, please allow each one of us, according to the order, established order in the House.
You mean?
Please allow the
according
leaders
to
of the-
party, not according to notice.
No, according to the party.
I have a notice. I wish to speak after Ram Gopal Yadav. After that, everybody.
Pahले notice, uske बाद, okay, fine. All right, agreed. Yes, if that is the sense of the House, I have no problem.
Sir, in the order of notices or in the order of party, my turn will come at the same time.
I will
So
call
that's
you.
no problem.
I have no
But
problem.
please allow us.
I'll come to you. I have no problem, but I have to caution that 0 hour will be lost.
Sir,
That also I have. Yes, that is yes, members'
Sir,
time.
just one thing.
0 hour is members' time, so I have no problem.
Deputy Chairman, sir.
All right, therefore.
Sir, one moment, sir. Sir, as the LOP has also said, we have also notices. Ram Gopal ji, LOP has said, and we all agree, is going to start. After that, it should be in order of the parties, because we also have notices.
All right.
And it should be.
Then you start.
No, I'm saying we
call
have no
Ram Gopal
objection.
first. Yeah,
Ram
Ram
Gopal
Gopal.
ji start. After Ram Gopal ji, LOP should start.
सर ये we have no objection. ये निश्चित तौर से नेपाल में जो अर्थक्वेक आया है,
After Ram Gopal ji, you just start the order from the LOP.
Okay, all right.
किसी को कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। जो नेपाल में भूकंप आया है, जिसमें कि बहुत बड़ी संख्या में लोग तबाही हुई है, निश्चित तौर से पूरा भारत और पूरे भारत के लोगों के हाथ उनकी मदद के लिए खड़े हैं। भारत की सरकार ने भी तत्काल उनकी मदद के लिए कार्रवाई की है, इसलिए उस पर चर्चा होती है, उस पर कोई माननीय सदस्य अपनी चिंता व्यक्त करना चाहते हैं, हमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है।
All right. Now, first of all, I would request members. This great tragedy happened, and the sympathy of all Indians are with the Nepalese people, and not only in Nepal, in India also, a good number of lives have been lost. So I hope there will be no politics in this. No politics.